guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this tight curly 360 wig from RPGHair. This wig was so nice, so easy to put on, and so bomb. I did a no part look, so if you guys are interested in this look, keep on watching.
I could have freaking died when I started watching this video. Like, there's something like a smudge on my camera, so the quality looks so jacked up. Throughout the video, I am gonna realize the smudge and fix it, but I'm not gonna fix it that much. So make sure that you guys watch this video in HD, because if it's, I know from how it looks right now, if it's not in HD, it's gonna look crazy. Guys, I already cut the lace and everything like that, as you guys saw. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 thin coats of Ghost Spawn on there now that the second coat has been dried, and I'm just going to be tapping that on there. Guys, something that you guys, I need y'all to keep in mind is that y'all need to never, if there's any hairs on the glue that's on your head, you need to take them off. It's best to do that instead of putting the lace over it, because trust me, it'll look really messed up. Like, it'll look sloppy. You'll be able to see the lace. And also make sure that all areas of your lace are glued down. There aren't no random pieces that are just sticking up. Now that everything, all the perimeter of my hair is glued down, I just take my scissors and, my razors, and I'm just cutting along the hairline. This is a 360 wig, so I'm going to be clipping the back together. I never really sewed down or glued the back of my wigs. This is usually what I do. So I'm now switching my hair. I'm going to be going for a no part look. So I'm just going to be combing my hair into that position, like a side part look, but without actually combing with an actual comb and parting the space out. And then I'm going to go ahead and just begin my baby hairs. The flow of my baby hairs will let you guys know that, you know, this is kind of like a little side part look. Y'all, I'm so sad for the quality of this video because this hair was so bomb. Hopefully you guys can ignore it. Look like the glare from my nails and all that. Like, my camera was tripping today. Like, I don't know how I didn't miss that smudge. But anyways, y'all, I am going to continue my baby hairs, and I just want to let you guys know throughout the video my camera ended up dying, but I did switch batteries, so you will get to see me do the opposite side of my head, baby hairs and all that. So this is basically the cut off. So anyways, you guys already should have seen, but I do have like full in-depth videos on my baby hairs. So now this is how the hair is looking. I love it so much. As you guys can see, it's really big. So I'm gonna go in between the curls and try to loosen them up.
I was watching this girl, I cannot remember, I can't pronounce her Instagram. Let me double check on Instagram. But I was watching her video last night. It was a makeup tutorial. She did this lip color, and I was like, this is to die for. Like, and I think I liked her video, so let me double check. Yes, her Instagram is her YouTube channel is Silver Medallion. We follow each other on Instagram and on YouTube. It's Silver Medallion. But I don't know if I can see that. But I got her name right here. Like, her makeup goes. Then she did this lip color. I'm gonna try to recreate it though. Six different lip glosses. So yeah, y'all, these are the lips for today. This is the look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out RPGHair for some bomb affordable hair. This wig is so nice.